how to make money on YouTube Shorts. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. You might have heard that people make money on YouTube, and when we talk about people making money on YouTube, we know that many YouTubers are actually making a fortune with YouTube. But do you know that you can make money with YouTube Shorts as well? So the first question is, what is YouTube Short? Well, YouTube Short is just like TikTok and Instagram Reels. You make short videos which are from 15 to 60-second videos, and you upload them on YouTube. They can be found right here on this shorts option on YouTube. Many YouTubers are now creating YouTube Shorts as well. So we can make money with YouTube Shorts. So the first question that you might be wondering is that, can you monetize your YouTube Shorts, and will you be able to run ads? Well, the answer to that is no, you will not be able to monetize your YouTube Shorts, or you will be able to run ads and monetize them, but the revenue is very low as compared to the normal videos that we upload on YouTube. But here's the thing, YouTube Short actually helps you bring the traffic to your YouTube channel, and you can use YouTube Shorts to attract the audience to your main channel. So let me actually show you. You can see right here that each of these YouTube Short has a lot of views and likes. You can see right here, this one has 144k likes right here. If I go down, this one has 12k likes, and this one has 7k likes, this one has 13k likes. So if we check these different channels, like this one has 169k likes, not views, likes. So if we check this channel, you will see that the channel will not be that big, but the shorts will have a lot of views, and that's what we're talking about, because shorts actually help you gain the audience, and this way you can actually make a lot of money through your main YouTube channel. But there are effective ways to make money. So the first way is YouTube Shorts Fund. YouTube actually introduced a fund when it comes to YouTube Shorts, which is a 100 million fund to reward creators for their dedication to making creative original shorts. So what happens is that you simply upload YouTube Shorts, and there is a eligibility criteria, and this $100 million will be distributed to different creators on YouTube that have chosen this platform to show their creativity. So this is the eligibility criteria that you can find right here on Google support. So what happens is that creators should be 13-18 years old, must have a parent or guardian. You should be older than 13. If you are between 13 to 18, you should have a guardian. Then creator must be 13 or older in the United States. Then they have channels uploading videos with watermarks or logos from their third-party social media. Channels needs to have uploaded at least one eligible short in the last 180 days, and channels need to be abide by YouTube community guidelines, copyright rules, and monetization policies. So these are the different ways listed for YouTube Shorts Fund. You will be making money directly through YouTube, and they will actually pay you. So this is an extra way to make money aside from your monetization that you will be doing on your YouTube Shorts. You can run ads on your YouTube Shorts, but the revenue is a little low, as I mentioned. But of course, with YouTube Shorts Fund, you actually get an opportunity to make money. Then the next way you can make money with YouTube Short is going to be through affiliate marketing. Well, this is not a direct way to make money with YouTube Shorts, but it is actually a way you can make money through YouTube Shorts. So what you can do is you will simply do affiliate marketing, and you will promote your products right here on YouTube Shorts. Many YouTubers and short video creators are doing affiliate marketing. People use TikTok for affiliate marketing, and you can also use YouTube Shorts for affiliate marketing as well. So what you do is you can actually create a product review, or you can just create a short video for your product and promote your product right here on YouTube Shorts, and then you will be able to make money through your affiliate marketing program, and you will be able to earn the maximum commission. You can of course make thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. So how affiliate marketing works is you simply find a product. You can go to any, a platform. For example, right now I am on digistore24.com, which is an affiliate marketing platform. So now what I can do is I will simply go to marketplace and I will find the product for affiliate marketing. So let's say I am going with fitness and health, and now I will simply scroll down. This product looks pretty good. Ultimate keto meal plan. I will be able to earn up to 85% of commission. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, the important thing is that you need to promote the product. So now what I can do is I can review this product, or I can promote this product. I can add the link of this product on my YouTube short right here on YouTube, and this way people will be able to click on my product. As we can see that the YouTube short has very large audience, and people are watching YouTube short. You can see right here every video has like views in millions and likes in millions. So you will be able to promote your product, and then you can earn your commission. Like right here I can earn 85% of commission with affiliate marketing, and I can use YouTube shorts. The next way you can make money on YouTube short is again not a direct way, but you can create your own merch, and then you can sell your product. Not just merch, any kind of product, and you can sell them with YouTube shorts. That is how many people actually sell their product. You can go to any platform. For example, if you have your own store on Teespring, then you can simply sell your t-shirts, your hoodies, stickers, and your sneakers, phone cases, whatever you want to. You can simply go ahead and add the link of your store right here on your YouTube shorts, or you can simply go ahead and promote your product again like we were doing on affiliate marketing. You can promote your product right here on YouTube shorts. You can add your merch, you can add or any kind of business you're running, you can promote with YouTube shorts, and YouTube shorts will help you make money. You will be able to sell your products. You will be able to make money by just sitting at home and earning the maximum profits. Now you might be wondering that how you can upload YouTube shorts, and if this is a different platform. Well, this is just same platform as YouTube. You can use it similarly. You simply click right here on this option of create. You will be able to upload your YouTube shorts, and you can add descriptions. There are comments, a share option, just like YouTube. It's super simple, and it is YouTube. Well, the shorts also work like that. You can monetize them. You will be able to check your stats in your YouTube studio right here. You have your own channel, and if you have a main channel where you upload your videos, you can also upload shorts as well. So you don't need a separate account to do so. So this way you will be able to create your own shorts very easily on YouTube and make some extra money. Yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money on YouTube shorts. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.